like you rightly said, we have two types of freezer. Now, since we are moving towards digitalization, this is the self-regenerating smart freezer. So basically, it is having two tanks integrated with the moisture sensor and the heater. So, based on the logic, when the saturation increases in one breather, that breather will go into regeneration.
Can you explain?
So, for example, if the threshold value of the moisture is crossed in breather 1,
That means you are not filling any components here.
no, there is silica, but it also has its own
But
heater.
that is not available.
That is not visual, sir, but because we are having sensors, you can get real-time data on the screen.
Okay.
No need of
That
visual
means
monitoring.
in these two breathers, silica gel to be filled
Yeah, it is already inside.
inside.
Yeah.
Okay. And oil to be filled like we
Sir,
are
oil
doing
cup has been eliminated. Now we are using sintered metal filters.
Can you show the silica gel? Can you open it?
Sir, it is concealed inside because we don't need any visual monitoring now.
It is hermetically sealed.
Yeah, it is hermetically sealed, and all the data is available here in the display. And this can be relayed in the SCADA as well.
Please show me the data if you are.
If you see here, sir, we are showing the real-time temperature, that is the RTD temperature, the humidity, the silica gel temperature, and the number of regeneration counts.
Okay. And what is the process of regeneration in your digital?
So once the threshold is crossed,
What is the threshold value?
threshold is configurable, sir. By default, we are setting it at 40%. 40%
humidity.
humidity.
Okay.
And you can set it on your own. If you want to do it 30%, that is also possible.
Tell me one thing. Usually what happens? Physically, when the blue filter gel becomes pink, we understand that the moisture has entered and that is replacement or some treatment. In your case, how to do that thing?
Sir, this is the best thing about the product, that no manual intervention is required. The machine will do it on its own.
Can you show me?
Yeah. For example, you can see the breather one is active here, so it is going into regeneration.
What are the criteria to check the health of the breather here?
Sir, it is an entirely manless product. It will monitor it on its own.
Suppose as a substation person, maintenance person or operation maintenance, I am going in the switchyard looking at this panel. How to understand that whether the silica gel of the transformer where it is installed is okay or not? What are the parameters to look at?
Basic parameters are the humidity levels.
Where it is shown?
If you can see, HUD represents the humidity level. It is at 15%.
And
so if it
then?
cross, then is the temperature. So you can set the temperature at which you want to regenerate. So 80 to 120 is the controlled regeneration.
The last question, as all utility will ask, is it type tested according to some ISO IC?
Sir, I can provide 8 to 9 type tests. This is meant for the polar application as well. It works from minus 50 to plus 80 degrees.
My question is it applicable, it is allowed in any IS and IC of transformer?
Yes.
It has refer IS or IC number.
Sir, IC I can give it in theory.
But the good thing is that any new technology, whichever comes for the betterment of my system, to save my assets, to save the outage, is welcome step, and I really appreciate it for that. Thank you. Thank you much. Thank you.